Hey guys, I didn't have but one intro to the model show. Like, we were walking into the building, so I thought it'd be kind of cheesy to replay that one again, because the show video that I'm doing is, there's so many cars, 939 cars. I had to do several videos. So here's your intro. This is the cars on the tables are over the top, absolutely over the top. And I hope you guys enjoy this video and the next one. And I don't know, maybe there'll be two, maybe this one and one more. I'm not 100% sure, but anyway, I really appreciate you guys watching and commenting, and let me know, hey, that's my car right there at a certain time at the on the video. But anyway, guys, hope you enjoy this, and here's some more cars. So this truck is the box art truck for the Iceman Collections trophy truck. So that's pretty cool. Get to see the truck that's on the actually on the box. Nice job on that kit. And this is a full 3D printed kit that Miguel over at Hobbyworks designed. This has been at the JaxCon show. I've seen it before. It is amazing. Great job. It was also built by Luis Perez. What in the world is that?
I don't know.
Looks like it might bite you if you get too close.
It looks kind of like a transformer.
It must be remote control.
They do you get 3D
It's a 112.
And they have your attention,
What
please.
kind of car is that?
Following model is
That is it.
Benjamin
That
Ryan,
earth one is cute.
and Dennis Matthews. Okay, I need the following people to come up by the large screen. Benjamin Graham, Jonathan Parker, Eddie McCarrick, and Dennis Matthews.
These together. Why we got this right here? Right here?
Right, 31. Excuse me.
So here's some build in progress or primer kits that aren't done yet. This one's got a brass chassis. Extended VW.
I did want to post some that wagon.
Okay, folks, we had several questions about voting. It ends at 1 o'clock, and it's right-hand side of the stage is the ballot box.
Yeah, I have that one.
1 o'clock is voting.
That's so cool.
Also, Benjamin LeGrand come up to the front of the auditorium by the large overhead screen. Benjamin LeGrand.
They look really cool. There's some decals look wonky. It's like, a little cartoonish. But those, if you were back here, you say, is that him? Yeah. You know? But how the hell did he do that? No, the decals go really good. Yeah. And I love the paint job on that.
That guy from Tallahassee, funny, because when you showed me that picture,
He sent me a picture of him.
did you see what the signed the election?
Yeah.
I used to be friends with a guy named John Bishop.
That's what JB got.
Yeah.
Probably him. He goes by JB DeMilo now.
I never heard of Milo.
He's gonna stick with that back, so I can just sit and think of somebody in the line there.
There you go. Yeah, he goes by JB DeMilo. No,
This thing's a giant. Huge.
he's like 10 minutes from the club. Yeah, I'm like 40 minutes.
You know,
No idea. This is the first time I went to the club until I didn't, I'm coming at people like, oh, you must know Crispy. Yeah, I do. So,
Oh, that's funny.
and it really is.
Okay, yeah.
It's a small world,
Yeah,
you know?
I mean, we used to be good friends.
That's what he said.
Starting at noon, there's a shuttle.
Yeah, no wonder I was a Milo. I just knew him as John Bishop.
Must be his middle name, maybe. If I had known they were building their big vets, I would have built mine. Hell yeah. Yeah, I built it for next year.
Yeah. Well, of course, the back's narrow.
So an easy way to get around the town.
Is that the front end from the monkey mobile? Or is that the front end from the monkey mobile?
In the back.
That's what I
Yeah,
thought.
that's the back.
Yeah. Yeah.
But I narrowed.
And a Corvette top. Window Corvette, yeah.
Chop.
Appreciate you all being here. Thank you.
Show me the inside. I'm curious what it looks like. Oh, that's really nice. You can't even tell where you did anything. Yeah, I don't know about this back here. No, just kidding.
No, but that's
My thing is once it's out. If you can't see it, I go.
just like the curve, like
Super curved side. It was like the body was pretty much empty underneath and it had pegs for tires. But when you look at it, the window was down here.
Fine. Take some pictures.
So this is the Le Mans theme class. So I don't know if it's the whole darn table. I guess it is. The whole way down is the Le Mans theme. 24 hours Le Mans. Sorry. Don't want to offend nobody.
That's a Tusker, right? Yeah, that's a pro stock. Yeah. So you know fun? I don't know where he played. I'll go look in Closeboro competition. And a 57 Chevy Gasser. Nope. Thanks for trying to help. Yeah.
Hey man, just keep your totes ready. We'll see you.
Oh man, you ain't gotta do that.
We'll see you.
Thank you.
Make up some notes on the other.
Yeah, so what are you using for your lights? LED bulbs.
Those are different ones. These are just they're round. I think those are white. They got tops.
We get on the live stream.
Yeah. Let's see what you got. How do you get people
I'm trying to find a Tamiya Porsche 962 kit. I'm wanting to do one more of these. 962 is famously one of the fastest cars to ever like 250.
I'm trying to get some things figured out. So I had 4 out of places that had so I How'd you get in?
Okay, folks, be sure to look at the monitors on each side of the auditorium for your raffle numbers. They'll be drawing them probably every 10 to 15 minutes. And you can pick it up over here by the loading dock door. The tables are over there. See the gentlemen, and they will take care of you. Thanks for being here.
Yeah, I did this model, but it doesn't look this good. Well, that's actually really, really good. C7R. Oh, and this is like a used version of a GT40. Kind of good.
Yeah, drops on you.
So this one's
Huh?
want to swap sides?
It's a beautiful life. Beautiful.